Today we're taking a look at the Whitestone Dome Express Align screen protector for your brand new iPhone 15 series, and this is only going to take about 30 seconds. It's quite possibly the fastest installation ever. So you do get your cleaning cloths, and then you do get your installation tray. So let's just go ahead and clean my phone really quickly. Next, get your microfiber cleaning cloth. If you see any dust particles, use the little stickers. Next, get the installation tray, remove the back portion, line it up with your iPhone, just like this. Slide your finger. Next, remove the sticker. And that's it. If you see any little bubbles, just go ahead and wipe them, but they should disappear in just a couple days or so. This is about 3 days later since I've installed the Whitestone Dome Easy Align screen protector. All those little bubbles that I had went away. This is a very, very clean, very sharp looking screen protector, and it's worked with a bunch of my cases that I've tried already. You can see that there's enough space on the top and on the sides that you're going to allow room for any type of case. Just want to show you that it'll fit most cases, I'd say. You can tell by the sides and the top and the bottom, there's enough space to allow a case to grab onto your phone without peeling up the screen protector. So if you're looking for an easy installation, if you're looking for a nice clean install, definitely check out the Whitestone Dome Easy Align screen protectors. I think you can't go wrong with this, but I appreciate you guys watching. And it's a beautiful clear screen protector. Definitely a nice choice.